हेलो गाइज, आज आम आसी जाइए ट्राइडेंट कॉलेज एंड आज आम जाऊँ IIT भुवनेश्वर विजिट। गाइज आज आम आसिक पहुँची जाइए IIT भुवनेश्वर एंड आज आम कॉलेज ट्रिप अच्छी किसी लैब विजिट अच्छी दैट्स आम ये आसिक पहुँची आम ट्राइडेंट बस एंड ये सब पिला मैंने गैदर होती एंड बस स्टार्ट होगा आम भितर को जीव ए सर आसीगले। गाइज यहाँ है IIT भुवनेश्वर टीचर्स कार पार्किंग बोधे है बिल्डिंग।
Two groups. See, whatever the things they have been using in the commercial part, because these are the imported things. Yeah, this is the imported one. So, see whatever the current ratings and all, how much they are using, so also ratings and all we have to see. Based on that, we are going to develop our own product.
Segment. This one are the AC segment, and this is the final grade. Got it? All the segments are in all the segments the communication on that we have to give the signal from here. Suppose I want to turn on the DFIG, then DFIG have to put it on and make it okay. Then it will be on. Anything we turn it on, then we have to give the signal from here. Fine. Then the energy meter, same thing, where we will see what is the active power, what is the power factor, and everything we can monitor from the central segment.
This is
No.
This is interface.
This is the
So DC to AC. Yes. They are doing AC to DC, along with chopper DC to DC also.
Yes.
We are doing DC to AC. What is the need of AC? Where we are for the motor?
For the motor.
Visual letter.
Yes, sir.
sensing the
Every
voltage.
time when we are operating with your AV, you are not doing anything. The controller is doing everything. Current control, voltage control. With that help, you are changing that speed. You are operating different lights or different parts of the. That all are being managed by this. Current and voltage are the main parts of electricity.
Yes,
As are the electricity.
IIT भुवनेश्वर and micro grid lab.
Electrical SCADA. So the SCADA.
Like in the electrical, we are using many things. Like we are also having the license of Dick Silent Power Factory as well.
How you are capturing this high voltage and high current through the system, into the system?
Means all the meters are connected over there. We are having the wireless communication as well. Through the LAN we are getting this thing. Wireless communication, and through the Ethernet port we are getting all the values. Whatever suppose the power is 250, then the power is 251 and all the things. Suppose some changing will be there. This will be there like when we give the command from here, then the signal to the FPGA it will be there. Then FPGA will get the signal and do the controlling action accordingly. No, they will. We only give the control logic. Control logic we are doing. Fault condition there. One fault module is there. Fault module is there. We will connect it in a hardware mode, and then we will create the fault, and then we will get the thing.
So this is fuel cell. So what is a fuel cell? You know, right?
So you know electrolysis, right? Electrolysis which separates water into hydrogen and oxygen, right? So the reverse process is like fuel cell. In fuel cell we use the reverse process, okay, reverse electrolysis. So what we do here is this is the fuel cell. It converts chemical energy into electrical energy, okay. So here we are using hydrogen and oxygen, okay. We'll supply both. Then what will happen is, so in this fuel cell, okay, both will combine, okay. So then
something like when you adjust the PV panel and check what is the voltage it is giving, right? You will be getting only 1 point, right? But you in your textbooks you will be studying the PV characteristics, right?
Yes.
That you can't able to see from your PV panel. PV panel, it gives the characteristics of that. Using that, we are going to do experiments of it. This is called the PV emulator. So this is the PV emulator setup. So if you see here, I gave irradiance different. So what happens? Every PV characteristic is different. So when you add together, you are going to get a multiple peaks, right?
Converter to control the motor, and other two side you will get to see the rotor side converter or grid side converter to control whether it has to be operating subseries mode or super series mode.
Guys, this is the college. Guys, हमें आज थर्ड फ्लोर रे पहुँची गलु एंड पूरा थकी गली. थर्ड फ्लोर. Guys, at I'm actually smart grade and high grade का laptop and bedroom कितने.
पैरामीटर हमें डिफाइन करूँ तो रेट पैरामीटर तुम्हारा इंडक्टेंस कैपेसिटेंस फॉर्म रे इंडक्टेंस कैपेसिटेंस रेजिस्टेंस फॉर्म रे तो सीटा को एटी स्टडी करा होतो ହେଲା ତାପରେ ଲୋଡ୍ ସେକ୍ସନ୍ ଥିବ ଲାଷ୍ଟରେ ହେଲା ତ ଏଥିରେ ଆମର ଭେରିୟସ୍ ଟାଇପ୍ସ ଅଫ୍ ଫଲ୍ଟ जो ସେ ସବୁ ଷ୍ଟଡି.
गाइज एबे हमें जाऊँ खाइबा पई. हमें एबे फोटो उठे देलु एंड एबे हमें खाइबा पे जाऊँ. गाइज एटा लाइक कॉलेज फर्स्ट टाइम एत बड़ा कैंपस आम आज आसटा स्पेशली इलेक्ट्रिकल एंड कंप्यूटर साइंस बिल्डिंग आप देखिपे केते बड़ा बिल्डिंग. सो गाइज यस जो मैंने मो जूनियर्स मैंने वीडियोस जब देखते जो मैंने 11 12 दौरान तो प्लीज जेई मेन भल कर एंड एमतिया कॉलेज प्लेस्ड हुआ एमतिया कॉलेज आसिक पढ़ सो दैट कि कैंपस सहित प्लेसमेंट सब बहुत बढ़िया बढ़िया मिले. गाइज मैं कहूँ कि आम ट्राइडेंट कॉलेज भल नहीं बट आम ट्राइडेंट कॉलेज बहुत भल अच्छे लाइक मुझे पढ़े आम फैकल्टी मेम्बर्स टीचर्स एंड सब बहुत बढ़िया बढ़िया अच्छा बट मो सजेसन यहाँ कि जेई मेन टू बी ऑनेस्ट बहुत भल करार अच्छे. गाइज आम आईआईटी आसगलु ब्रह्मपुत्र हॉल ऑफ रेसिडेंस. यहाँ है कैंटीन यहाँ है एक्चुअली हॉस्टेल ये समस्त आसती खाती. गाइज अब कैंटीन में आसिक बस मनीषा प्रियंका ये मुआ मम्मी मम्मी बहुत बिजी अच्छी फोन. सो गाइज आप कैंटीन देखिए आईआईटी केते बड़ कैंटीन मानवा पड़ो. गाइज मनीषा को बहुत भोक मागुची किंतु एपर्यंत खाइबा आसनी आउटसाइड चली प्रिपेरेसन. गाइज देखु आमको आसीगला खाइबा भात डाली रोटी दही आ लुण एंड ये सालाड ये पनीर एंड यहाँ है गुलाब जामुन प्लस ये आलू भजा एंड नॉनवेज आमर अच्छे स्पेशल फिश करी. गाइज आम आईआईटी विजिट करके आसीगलु एंड लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करने को भूलिए. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में. टाटा.